Alright. It's all love, so bye hater. I write to die now and die later. Read Proverbs like newspaper, acquire some new data, then me a tool spray with some new gators. New wager. One alpha that's two mega. Then Genesis before Sega. So who lose? Who win? You broken. You snooze, uppercuts, Hadoukens. In this battle, I'm gonna tell you what's critical. It ain't physical. The war is spiritual. So be spontaneous. Don't make life a ritual. Get visual. So please don't despair. Be jolly like a dolphin. Hold your tongue. Don't talk like an auction. Listen. Words of instruction. Build up. Don't be cause of destruction. Because this is a message for generations from suburbs to the block. First he was with it, but now he against it. So shout out to Tupac. Because I said, the fruit of the spirit is kindness. Living in a world with spiritual blindness. Sin over their eyes, covering the eyelids. Moral decline, living in violence. Because the presence of God is ever before me. In the presence of God, the devil ain't scary. He chasing these dudes around like Tom and Jerry. But I got no need to fear. Because I know that God got me. He's the original. No original can copy. Because his son died for my sins. So I could stop sinning. I'm thankful for the life he gave me. Life I'm living. Because to me, God gave the vision. So no plagiarism. So listen up, pay attention. God said to his words, don't add, no extensions. Freestyle off the head. Read the Bible. Please don't be idle. I got the Bible right here in my hands. Turn to the book of Proverbs, word to the wise. There's some knowledge. Damn, look at my eyes. Ah.